Jalan-jalan di kebun kopi, ternyata lihat luwak yang suka makan kopi.
Also the size of the bean is a bit different. There's the tree of the mango stem is the same one. But it's not season of the fruit. It's very hard to tell you about the fruit. But the fruit is like a ball, small like this. They have inside the bean about 5 or 6 bit. You can eat, but in here you get the skin. The skin of the fruit. Later I will show the skin of the fruit inside. We have one with the like this. Spices as well, like this one. So this one we have a clove. Yeah? There's a clove we use for the nail pen, for the cigarette, also for the palm. It's a bit like a tiger balm, so you can use for tiger balm. Also you put in the teeth.
Yeah, and the teeth and the test.
This is for the kill the bacteria as well. And this the pepper. So this the black pepper and this the white pepper. Similar like a small one. This more sweet.
More sweet.
Yeah. The size maybe like this. It's a bit like this size. Even these people doesn't know, it look like a seed.
Yeah, it looks like the same.